day 7 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every day for the next 30 days. Well, we've got a few left now, and building up to a beautiful choreography for the end of the year. I hope you've been enjoying the combinations so far. If you haven't seen them, please check them out. I will link them below. And today we are learning one more combination and then bringing what we have learned so far together with the music. So our combination today, very simple. We're using our abdominal pulses. So for this one, it's quite hard to talk while doing it. You're holding your stomach in and then release, in, release, in, release, in, release. If you know how to do your stomach vacuum, you can breathe out, smiling while you're doing the last combination. And do it that way, it's up to you. So we're also adding in a little torso turn, turning, pop, turning, pop, turning, pop. So like when we were doing our circles yesterday, all I'm doing is keeping my feet where they are and turning, pop, turning, pop. So it's not my feet turning, it's not my whole body turning, it's just the top of my body. That's it. Out, 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 out. This is a workout. It's also hard to talk. Good job. So we've got three of those. We're coming this side, this side, this side. Then we're coming into a chest drop. So for your chest drop, it's a little bit different to holding your stomach in. Instead, you're lifting your chest up. So something's tight here. You imagine it being pulled up. Try and keep breathing for this one too. This is like breathing exercises for this combination. Okay, and while we're doing this one, we're coming down to the floor. Down, 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 down. If you haven't done this one before, a few little tricks. Bring one foot in front, keep that one foot in front, doesn't matter which foot. And as you come down, you want to try and keep your spine straight. And to do that, you have to strengthen your legs, but also lift those heels all the way up off the floor. If you're trying to bring your heels down, unless you're super flexible in your calves, you're going to lean forward. So keep that spine nice and long, come down, up, down, just practice. And when you're ready, chest, chest, chest. Chest, chest, chest. Chest, chest, chest. Yes, good work. So the combination all together, nice and slow. We turn, pop, turn, pop, turn, pop. Chest, 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 chest. Yeah, nice work. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, pop, turn, pop, turn, pop. Chest, 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 chest. Yeah. Okay, Shimmy Shakers, it's the part that you have all been waiting for. We are ready to put the first lot of our combinations together with music. So firstly, I'm going to flip this video so that when I say right, it'll be my right as well as yours. Okay, and now we're ready to get started. So to begin, very, very simple. We're starting on the spot and we bring those arms up. So it's nice, just little rise in the arms. You hear the music start. We have a couple of bars and then it's 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, coming into combination from day one, we bring our left leg up and across and then around. We land that leg at the back, undulate, undulate. So if you're finding this confusing already, please check out video that's combination 1. So make sure you learn combination 1 first. Then from here, you can see our right leg is in front. We bring that around into our rond de jambe, transfer our weight. This hip comes over. And then we've got 3 Mayas, right, left, right, slow. So it's coming up on your left, and then right, left, right, nice and slow for that last one. We hear a little break in the music. We push our hips to the side. Then we come into our fast combination, starting with our horizontal figure 8s. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maya, Maya, circle, circle, roll up, roll down, circle, circle, roll up, roll down. From here, turning to the side, lifting up those arms in the break. Then we step out into snake arms. Snake, 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 snake. Shimmy! Floating those arms down. Okay, there is more to it with the combinations, but let's just go through some musicality for this part, because I taught this to my belly dance class today, and some of them really struggled with the music. So when you hear the song, certain parts are going to be going to tempo where you count it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and other parts you can't count. If anything, you just have to sing it. Because the music, it's really melodic, you have to just listen to the melody, ignore everything else in the music, just listen to the melody and try and dance it to the melody. So if you're finding that really difficult, and it is difficult, especially if you haven't done it before, follow me, dance with me for the first few times, and then dance or just watch, listening to the music. It doesn't matter if you're doing the moves correctly or not, just try and really engage with the song. It's a beautiful song, and then over time, it will be a new way of listening for you, but also it will be a beautiful appreciation for the music. So when we've come up, this part's counted, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then as we come across, you'll hear the music telling you to bring your leg up and around. As we land, then the 2 undulations are with the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, again, will be with the melody. And then hip over, and you'll hear the notes going quick, quick, slow. From here, we bring our hips over. Again, we're listening to the melody. 8, 8, 8, 8, my, circle, circle, up and down, circle, circle, up and down. Good. Turning, our hands float with the tempo in the little break, and then we come up, and as the notes get longer, we shimmy, and then hands come down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then butter to the left, out and out. You can add the shimmy if you like, to the right. Then coming into our circles with the melody. So if you've practiced this combination with your favorite song, we'll listen to the music when we put it on. Then our 4 circles to the right, 4 circles back to center, 4 circles to the right with your arms raising, 4 circles back to center, turn to your right, pop out, turn to your left, pop out, turn to your right, pop out, turn to your left, chest, 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 chest. Okay, let's run through with the song. So do it a few times with me, rewind as many times as you need to bring all those combinations together. Awesome job. Okay, starting left foot prepared, I'll talk you through it. And arms raised, left leg coming up. And around, undulate, undulate, around, hip up, down, down, slow. Hips over, figure eights. 4, 3, 2, 1, down, down, circle, circle, roll up, roll down, circle, circle, roll up and down. Turn to the left corner, raise those arms, ready to snake. Listen to the music. Shimmy. And down. Figure eights up. Right, left, right. One more, butter. And circle. With the melody. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, arms raised. And pop, right, left, right, chest, 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 chest. Yes, nice work. So this time I won't talk, just listen to the music, try and catch that melody. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, breathe. Now with the melody again. Really listen. to the music. Now you can count 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now catch the accents. Awesome job, Shimmy Shaker. That is just so brilliant that you've made it through this far. This is a difficult choreography, so if you do have any questions, please write them below. I know from class today, people were really struggling to the melody. So as I said, just listen to the music. When I say dance to the melody, you want to do one move per note. So it's not like a drum beat where you can be like down, up, down, up. It's like a da, 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 da. Like, for example, if the singer or the instrument is going slow, then your move goes slow, but when it's going fast and the notes are changing quickly, then your move goes quickly as well. So for example, when we're doing our little figure eights with our circles, or 8, 8, 8, 8, down, down, circle, circle, up and down, when you first do that one, you can just count it if you're finding it really hard, or you can just watch me doing it. But when you get to know the song better, please try and listen to the music, and each time the note changes, so the musical note where it's going dun, 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 like higher or lower, that's when you do one more move. And when you're doing this, half of a figure eight counts as like one move. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. And with your Maya, that's 1, that's 2. With your circles, a whole circle is one move. With your body roll up, that's one move. With your undulation down, that's one move. You might have noticed as well in the final undulation, in that one, it's a little bit slower, so you can take your time with that one before you come in. Okay, let's do it again to music. I won't talk at all this time, just really enjoy it. So left foot ready. I'll be quiet so you can listen. Shimmy Shaker, give yourself a big clap, a big pat on the back. I give you a virtual high five. You have made it through our first week of our 30-day dance challenge. Remember, share your videos with me. You can do that via joining our Shimmy Shakers Facebook group and posting them there, or you can just tag me on Instagram or whatever social media you use. Can't wait to see them. Let me know if you have any questions below, because if you're finding something tough, then other people probably are too. So it's good for everyone to share our knowledge. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow, ready for day 8. You could hear in the music as it started to lift. Day 8, we're coming into a really upbeat, fun combination. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow.